Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Hey, today we're talking boats, and we're going to cover some common causes of why your boat horn is not working. Let's get started. I've made my way to my parents. We are up and on board their boat, and the first thing to check is your battery. And come inside to ensure that your positive and negative cables are properly secured to their respective fittings. Double check that there is no corrosion. If there's corrosion all over your battery connections or terminals, it is interrupting the proper current of electricity, and that could cause your issue. However, if all looks good, which in our case it does, coming to the captain's seat, and our ignition is off, basically key can come out. I'll set that right here. Coming over to our horn, in our case ours is brand new, literally. We do not actually need our key on or the ignition on. However, you might. So next thing to check, you can carefully insert your key in the ignition, turn it to the run position, however, not start your engine, and test your horn. And if that works, awesome. That means your horn requires your ignition to be on to basically be fed electrical power to work. However, if all looks good there, we are going to come down and under where we have our cutout and access point to the back side of the electrical wiring. Basically all the electrical wiring for everything, gauge and more. Coming way in and up top to our horn. And right here you can see an orange wire. That is one wire connection that feeds to the back side of our horn. And here is a red and black wire that also connects to the back side of the horn. And DIYers, just check that your connections are properly secured, and if they are, check for corrosion. In the event that there is corrosion all over the electrical connections, carefully disconnect them, clean them, as well as the connection points or terminals or leads on the back side of your horn switch. And after cleaning, re-secure everything, and hopefully that will fix it. However, if it doesn't, and you inspected everything and everything looks okay, chances are the inner switch of the horn itself is broken and the switch will need to be replaced. Making our way back down, around, and up to the horn and DIYers, in the event that you troubleshoot everything and you actually have to replace your horn switch, no big deal. That will actually put you in a good mood when it's all replaced, and this is a very friendly DIY repair video. And scrolling above right now, as well as video link number 1 down below, is a link on how to properly and safely replace that horn. Definitely check that out. And in addition to that, down below we will have links to replacement horns and where to purchase them, as well as horn options that are different from this one, as well as horn options that are rocker switch design like those.